Come on. Well. Oh yeah, I got my last belt for that lawnmower. As soon as it warms up, I'm going back out there. Now let's give this a try. I made the spaghetti yesterday. There's my audience. That's good. That is a good combination right there. I would do that again. Spaghetti cheese omelet. The other day, it was so cold, I didn't own enough clothes to get warm. And today, this is some freaky weather we're having. Is that not the cutest thing? He went and had his teeth cleaned today. She had her teeth cleaned, but she also had some moles. Some really, really big, dime-sized, that tall moles taken off her back. They're buddies. Parts are trickling in. These belts are for the cupcake that lawnmower just bought. This is the main transmission drive belt. That's the one I spent the big money on, Kevlar. This is the mower to deck belt. Now I'm waiting on a deck belt. This is the sprocket for my Makita chainsaw. And this, there's no way I can afford to pay somebody to put a roof on my house. So I went ahead and spent the 99 bucks and bought me a roofing nailer. Don't know how I'm going to get them on the roof. I'm going to have to hire somebody to bring them up and set them on the roof for me. And from there, I can nail them on myself, but I've tried and I just can't lift the shingles. It's not my arms, it's my back. So, springtime. Don't know how many bundles I'll be able to nail on a day, but if I can nail 1 or 2, 3 bundles a day, I think I can have my roof done in a month. Alright, still got my Makita on the bench. This is almost the last part I need. I need to get a C-clip now, and I can put that Makita back together. I got one more belt coming for this. I bought 2 new tires for it. Front tires, the back tires are okay. The front tires are so dry rotted they won't hold air, or not, you know, they do hold air, but they go down over a couple of days. And the back tires are not, so maybe the back tires are new. I'm gonna take the deck apart. This does have grease fittings on the deck, the spindle. But I'm gonna take the deck apart and remove the bearings and make sure that the bearings don't have seals on them, which prevents the grease from getting to them. So, and then put it back together. I really don't need any parts for this. I'm just gonna clean it up. Grease it up real good, put it back together, and this will be ready to go. Ready to mow. Let me show you why I'm not working out here. There's no way I can even heat up this shop warm enough for me to be comfortable working in here. Can you see that? That's ice. It's that cold. I mean, it's starting to melt, but hell, it's midday now. Yeah, this is all ice right here. And I'm in my sock feet. And I don't do cold, not this kind of cold.